while since I have filmed a video like this where I take one item and I style it a whole bunch of different ways. Today's item in question, these trousers. I am so excited. I found these at a secondhand market in Rome. They are actually fast fashion, but the quality was fantastic. The silhouette was exactly what I was looking for, and I am so happy I bought them. Hopefully this gives you some ideas on how to style black trousers that are already in your closet. They don't have to look exactly like mine. These are a high waist boot cut silhouette with a really beautiful like seam down the middle, but I don't think yours have to look like this either. The principles of the styling that I'm gonna do are going to stay the same. We're working with a little bit of structure in the silhouette on the bottom, these nice clean lines, a little bit of volume, a little bit of breathing room around the body. They're not skin tight. Before we jump in, I've got tickets to my live Shop Your Closet workshop coming up on March 11th. It's between 1 and 3 p.m. EST. It's a really, really fun event where we have 2 models and we shop their closets for inspiration looks that you receive in advance of the event. And we talk about elements of style, we dig deeper so that you understand better how to use what's already in your closet, shop your closet, put new combos together. It's a lot of fun. I'll leave all of the information for tickets in the description box below. Now let's jump on in. what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what outfit was your favorite in the comments below. If there are other pieces of clothing that you want me to tackle in this way, like I said, it's been a while since I've done one, so I'm always happy to do these for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you learned something new. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget I've got those tickets for my live Shop Your Closet workshop. I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for being here. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you in the next slow fashion video. Ciao!